Hello everybody. Now I'm going to talk about my best holiday, my best vacation for the last year when I traveled to Cartagena with my wife. I really enjoyed the trip with pencil in the city. We went to the beach to walk our meal every week of the characteristics of the city. At that time, the city also told the story. So many people, so many parts of the country, including so many countries. I want to get interested or from with my wife walk to work or my Cartagena is a tradition of the city. It and is this experience and many people already for the opportunity to visit the place. Upset, I really like to view casting of the city in addition to the beach. After staying in the city from a wild vacation of the world in advance. I